Hi guys, it's Shanice. So I am working in my composition art journal. This is just a page that I prep. Sometimes I like to prep pages. So this has some writing in it. I use some kind of, I think, watercolor crayon that one of you guys generously sent me, and lots of white paint and scribbles. And I just wrote out some words, and it's been sitting in my journal. And this journal is almost complete. It's a composition notebook journal. This page is thick. I glued some pages together, but I'm just going to make some simple circles with black paint, and I just had an inclination to doodle. So I'm going to doodle and I'm going to add some words. But it's so nice to have these kind of pages in your journal. It makes it super easy to just create a page because it's already prepped. So I'm going to let you watch the process. I hope that you have a wonderful new year, and I will see you next year. Bye bye.